hide your key, hide your wallet, and don't click on shit, because they're hacking everybody up in here. What up, yo? JP here. There's a bunch of announcements from Astro Swaps. It's not exactly going to play out like they had intended it to, which is fine. I'm bullish. When you get to the end of the video, you're going to really figure out why I haven't posted about this yet. The intention was being the first DEX on Cardano. Cardano? Oh, who the fuck cares? I digress. They were supposed to be the first DEX on Cardano. And that was like the big hype thing. They're going to release on Binance Chain. So basically, they had really no choice but to listen to their investors and go with plan B and just drop on the fucking Binance Chain, which I think is a smart idea. Fuck the first DEX on Cardano. Looks like Astro Swap is going to be the first DEX on Cardano. What was the first fucking search engines? Fucking Ask motherfucking Jeeves and fucking Yahoo. Or why don't you just ask Tom at MySpace? It's not about being the first. It's about being the best. So I spoke to Astronaut Yuri. Me and him have buried the hatchet. Real men a lot of times have an understanding. There's no need to apologize. There's been miscommunication the entire time. I think that's understood at this point. He heard me out, listened to my concerns. That's cool. That's very cool of them. They understand that we weren't fudding. Nobody was trying to FUD the project. We weren't trying to FUD, though. We were concerned. People were scared. People were concerned. I believe there's been a whole bunch of unblocking going on. I'm unblocked, which is crazy. I've created quite a bit of nonsense for this company. As far as I was concerned, I was fucking losing. So if I was going to go down, I'm going to fucking go down with a fucking bang. You know, one of those, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, you're cool situations. But thankfully, it didn't boil down to this. So I asked him what the advantage of this DEX versus anything else that's currently on the Binance chain is. And he referred me to Astro Swap's current, what the fuck's that thing called? Fucking Discord. It's not the fucking Telegram, I remember that one. For real, what is that called? What the fuck is that thing called? Medium, that's what it is, the fucking Medium. So I looked at the Medium, check this shit out right here. You see this right here? When you're looking at all this, basically what it's saying here is they're releasing, but like I said, who gives a shit? Just because you're the first doesn't mean you're the best. Now, features and benefits, okay? Most of us probably fucking have MetaMask at this point, and it sucks opening new wallets and shit like that. They don't fucking have MetaMask. When you read through this shit right here, basically what it's saying is the testnet had some fucking serious issues. There's been congestion. You could even cancel transactions. Well, motherfucker, you can't cancel transactions unless it's slow. So that's not a good thing at all. Slow enough that you'll be able to cancel transactions, that doesn't seem very promising. I think they might be pushing this a little bit too quick. You're making the right decision, Astro Swap. You're really doing the right thing by not fucking dropping a bullshit product that's going to hurt you inevitably. The speed of the Cardano network is going to be off the hook, though. It's also going to have very high APYs, which is really, really good. We like that as well. My point that I said to Yuri, but I don't know if he understands the context of what I was saying, because we did this all over text. I really wish I could interview this guy just to hear a voice. I don't need to see his face. You can stay anonymous. But I would love to put a voice to it, because people do take things out of content when it's texting. This might be a beautiful advantage starting out on the Binance chain, because people that are set in their ways that are like, cool, I'm cool with PancakeSwap, I've been using it for a long time, they're typically not going to be like, well, fuck it, why am I going to gamble all my shit on this thing? I might get hacked. Nobody wants to try new shit unless it's there in front of them. We actually might pull people over from the Binance chain onto the Cardano chain when they finally do the switch over. Finally do their switch. That's a very big advantage. We actually, as investors, have the opportunity of gaining some people that would not have been familiar with this if it wasn't dropping on the Binance chain. That's a huge advantage, especially if we're pretty fucking flawless. If we have no problems as far as functionality goes, then this is going to be a really big opportunity for us. So I'm excited about that. Getting to the point that I stated when I first started this video here, why I did not talk about this when I first heard about this. The reason I didn't talk about this when I first heard about this is for a selfish fucking reason. I deposited money into one of my accounts. Coinbase has a hold. I want to fucking stock up. I want to fucking pack my bags. I want to fill my bags. I want to load the fuck up. But I didn't want to do this because this is actually a good pump video. Coinbase has a hold. Initially, we'll buy Bitcoin and then transfer it over to a wallet so I could do it. Fucking Bitcoin's got that stupid fucking 5-day hold. I didn't want to pump this shit because I didn't want the price going up. I was hoping it would fucking drop again so I could bag the fuck up, so I could fucking load up. But it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So fuck it, guys. I already got a whole bunch into this motherfucker. So pump, bitches. Pump, pump. That's the fucking Snoop Dogg song, remember? Pump, pump, blam, 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 derby ball, blah, 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 nigga, doggy, dog. I don't know how it goes. Fuck it. But yeah, so pump this bitch now. I'm done being selfish. My kids told me I can't end the video the way I typically end the video with the, I don't, remember. They're saying it's cool that I ask you guys if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Listen, I didn't say you can't subscribe. I says I don't care if you subscribe. I don't care if you like my video. And usually I say you should probably share my message because I got good messages. Feel free to subscribe now if you want to. I love you guys. I'm out.